Guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video I have a hijab haul for you guys. So I pretty much placed a big order with Haute Hijab, and I ordered 8 new hijabs. You guys, new year, new hijab, am I right? So anyways, I thought I would share my new purchases with you guys. I picked up some gorgeous colors and I'm really excited to share them. So before I go ahead and I try on these hijabs, I feel like it's important to first read up on the types of hijabs that I picked up because this is my first time trying them, and I feel like it's also beneficial to you guys to kind of know what to expect if you guys end up purchasing these hijabs. So I picked up 8 of the bamboo woven hijabs, and I just have the description in front of me of what these hijabs are supposed to be like, what they're supposed to offer for us, the feeling, the size, and all that fun stuff. So I'm just gonna quickly read through this with you guys, and then I'll go ahead and I'll try them on. So basically it says that the wovens you know and love but better. So they pretty much, I guess, changed up the fabric of these hijabs. So it says that we've upgraded them with a sustainably processed bamboo woven fabric that feels like soft cotton. They are very soft, you guys. When I was ironing them to get them ready for the video, I was like, whoa, these are so soft. So it says that it features all of bamboo's powerful benefits, including built-in sun protection, breathability, antibacterial properties, and superior moisture wicking for a fresh, comfortable feeling. So these are available in both standard and maxi sizes. Not all of the colors, but most of the colors I saw do have the maxi size. I personally picked up the standard size. The previous hijabs that I've gotten from Haute Hijab are maxi, and I absolutely love them for like full coverage looks and whatnot, but recently I've been okay with using a standard size for hijabs, and I also find that their hijab sizes are quite big to begin with. So I'll give you guys just the measurements. The standard size, which is what I grabbed, is 74 inches by 27 inches, and their maxi hijabs are 78 inches by 39 inches. So that's just a comparison for you guys. So pretty much now I'm gonna go ahead and try on these 8 hijabs, and I'll put the names of the colors on the screen, and then at the very end I'll give you guys my thoughts on what I think about these hijabs and the feeling and whatnot, and I'll also point out some of my favorites. So I hope you guys enjoy. Alright you guys, so this is Dusty Lavender. This is the first hijab, and oh my gosh you guys, these hijabs are so soft and they are so lightweight. Oh my goodness, like the one thing that I'm loving about this hijab is, although it's very thin and very lightweight, my volume that I love from hijabs is not compromised. Like you guys can see, I have a lot of volume. I did my standard hijab style, by the way, you guys. If you want to know how I like to style my hijab, I'll have the video down in the description and also linked up here. I can definitely do a updated hijab tutorial using these new hijabs. If that's something you guys want, just comment down below and let me know, and I'll do that. But just to save time in the video, I'm just going to like put them on and then show you guys what they look like afterwards, because if I put on 8 hijabs on camera right now, it's gonna be a long video. So anyways, that's my honest thoughts right now, you guys. It's super lightweight. It's like literally very airy. Like I'm so comfortable. I know I'm going to love these in the summer, but again, I got the volume that I love. So yeah, this is the first hijab, you guys. Now I'm gonna go ahead and try on the next one. All right, you guys, so this is Chestnut. This is the second hijab that I got, and I absolutely love this. This is like a really nice, warm, rich, brown toned hijab color. I love it so much. So this one is also super lightweight, super airy. In terms of thickness though, I do feel like this one is a slight bit thicker than the first hijab that I tried, but regardless, it's still very airy and very lightweight. And again, I love that I get the volume that I want, but it's still super lightweight. It's not that heavy. So yeah, I absolutely love this one. Alright guys, so this is the next hijab, and this is called Rose Mauve. I'm absolutely in love with this color. This is so beautiful. I already know I'm going to be doing a lot of makeup tutorials wearing this hijab because I have lipsticks that are this color, and if you guys know me, you know that I love matching my lips to my hijab. It's like my favorite thing to do. Comment down below if you do that too. I just feel like it's a whole vibe and it literally makes your look. So I'm super excited to wear this hijab and do makeup looks with this hijab. Now in terms of the material, this one is like chestnut, you guys. It's light, but it is a little bit thicker than the very first one that I tried. Now I'm starting to think maybe the colors that are a bit deeper are maybe a little bit thicker. I don't know. Because the first one that I tried was a super light color, and then chestnut and then rose mauve, this one, are deeper colors, so maybe that's why they're a bit thicker. But regardless, it's super airy, super lightweight, and so soft, you guys. I cannot emphasize enough how soft these hijabs are. I feel like these are the softest hijabs I own and that I've ever tried in my life. I'm so happy with these, you guys. So yeah, this is the third hijab. So this is the next hijab, you guys. This is in the shade Pearl. I'm absolutely in love with this, you guys. This is like a gorgeous, like off-white type of color. I feel like this is going to be a staple when it comes to like formal events, like when matching hijabs with gowns. I feel like this is going to be a go-to for me. I love the material, you guys. Like, I cannot get over how airy it is, how lightweight and soft it is, and how I'm still getting the volume that I want. And also, I feel like this material just looks so elegant and fancy, but it feels like a cotton hijab. Like, it literally, it's like you're getting comfort, but you're also getting like that elegant look. So I honestly, this bamboo woven material has me sold. Haute Hijab, you sold me. I am hooked. I am obsessed. Like, this is amazing, you guys. So yeah, this is Pearl. All right, you guys, so this one is called Rose Quartz and I am in love. This one is definitely by far my favorite color. So this one is just a tad bit darker than the very first hijab that I tried on, which is called Dusty Lavender. So that one's like more on the lighter pink. This is more on like the a little bit darker, I would say. So I'm in love, like, oh my gosh. All right, you guys, so this is the shade Fawn. I absolutely love this hijab color. So this is like a toned down, like a brown beige type of color. I feel like this is the perfect neutral to have in your collection. I absolutely love it. It's so cute, you guys. It's like brown beige, if you know what I mean. It's like a really cute neutral to have. So this is the third last hijab. I have two more to show you guys, but before I go on to the next hijab, I thought I would show you guys kind of like the length and how much coverage I get in the front. So I'm just gonna stand up and show you guys so you can see I get a lot of coverage and there's a lot of like length from the fabric. So it really depends on how you end up styling your hijab. So based on how I style it, I still get really nice coverage in the front and there's a nice length. So yeah, I absolutely love this. All right, you guys, so this is Camel. This is very similar to Fawn, which was the hijab that I just tried on before this one, but this one is a little bit warmer. It's got a more warmer tint to it. It's still, I would classify this as a brown, and I believe on the website it is classified under their browns. So yeah, I absolutely love this. This is like a really nice, rich, warm brown beige type of color. Such a beautiful neutral to have. I absolutely love it. And of course, you guys, I had to grab a black hijab. You can never go wrong with black. It is a classic. It matches everything. So this is the last hijab, you guys. All right, you guys, so before I close out the video, I just want to give you guys my final honest thoughts on what I think about these hijabs, the material, the bamboo woven material. So this was my first time kind of trying this hijab style and this fabric, and you guys, I am in love. I am obsessed. Oh my goodness, this material is so soft. I feel like whenever I try really soft hijabs, I feel like like the volume that I like to get, my desired volume, is compromised, versus if I want to get a really nice voluminous hijab style, then the material is usually compromised and it's a little bit uncomfortable. But I feel like these hijabs are like both. It's like the best of both worlds. I'm getting the ultimate comfort of it feeling like cotton, feeling super lightweight, but I'm still getting that volume that I love and I desire when it comes to how I style my hijab. So I'm personally like obsessing right now, like I'm fangirling. I love these hijabs so much. I highly recommend you guys give them a shot if you haven't tried this style already. So yeah, that's just my final thoughts. I just wanted to share that with you guys, that I am super impressed and I'm super happy. These hijabs are so elegant, but they feel like cotton, lightweight hijabs. For me personally, I'm getting everything that I've ever wanted in a hijab in these hijabs. So I am so happy and I love all of the pieces that I grabbed. Alright you guys, so that is pretty much it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Comment down below and let me know which hijab color was your favorite, and also let me know if you guys have tried out these hijabs, and let me know what colors you have and what your thoughts are on this fabric, or if there's any other hijabs from Haute Hijab that you've tried that you love, let me know. I'd love to know. So yeah you guys, if you liked this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. And of course, all of the products that I showed today, all 8 hijabs, will be listed down below in the description box with links, so make sure you guys check that out. And that is pretty much it for today's video, you guys. I want to thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!